Now, we all know how important collagen is when we get, to midlife. I mean, we should have collagen in our life, full stop.
Mm.
But Purer Vita is our collagen sponsor. So tell us a little bit why you think it's very important that women start taking it as early on as possible.
Yeah, I mean, we should take it because we actually start losing it, and it's integral for our bone strength. I mean, even things like our brain, our pelvic floor, our gut is all made from collagen. So it makes sense to look after ourselves, doesn't it? And make sure we keep our youthful glow. So yeah, collagen's really important.
I think a lot of people just think it's about, your skin and your nails, but it's integral for, for our bone health and other
Mm.
things, isn't it? So, I mean, what's the response been for you guys here at Pause Live?
Yeah, what's been really nice is we've had some samples. So a lot of women have had the opportunity to taste collagen mixed in with our smoothies and been really pleasantly surprised. It's really easy to take as well, versatile and tastes good. It tastes pleasant. So a lot of women are really enjoying that. And so, yeah, I think that's probably one of the really nice things to be able to do. Just show women how to use collagen, the benefits, and also give them a little taste.
Why is Pause Live the event to come to?
Gosh, I think you're going to find out who you really are, what you really need, what people are thinking about you as well, how they're looking after each other in regards to, taking time out to come and show you products that they think are going to benefit your life. I think it's an amazing variety of women who are strong, powerful, and really wanting to make themselves resilient through menopause. I know I've really experienced it and it's been brilliant. So, I'll be back.